In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can factory reset a MacBook Pro 2014. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is super similar to resetting an iPhone. If you've ever done that, you're going to realize it is very, very similar. But essentially, go up to the top left of your screen, click on this little Apple icon, and then from here, from the menu that appears, select System Settings. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to make sure you're on this General tab, which is right underneath this battery section. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of General and select Transfer or Reset. From here, you're going to want to select Erase All Content and Settings, and after you do that, your Mac will ask you for your password. Go ahead and enter that in to continue, and after that, you'll see a screen explaining that all of your settings, your media, your apps, and your data are going to be removed from this Mac. I'd recommend just taking a second to review everything listed just so you know exactly what's being erased, but whenever you're ready, hit continue, follow the on-screen prompts, and your MacBook will begin the factory reset process automatically. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can go ahead and factory reset your MacBook Pro 2014. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.